system is freezing, hang, crashing. So how to fix this issue? So firstly guys, you download IRST driver Windows 11. Okay, and this link I will give you in description, so you can download directly link. Okay, download and first run. Okay, then guys, second option, it is the uninstall manufacturing USB port driver. So this is uninstall and new add. So guys, firstly Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and then enter. Okay, then guys, there are options. So advanced, enrollment viewable, click to new, and type dev devmgr underscore show underscore details, and variable value is 1, then OK, and then OK, apply. Then guys, again Windows R dev mg mt dot msc. This is actually shortcut options of open drive manager. So you can apply, click to view and show all hidden. Okay, and then underscore storage volume. So all are automatically up to date. Okay, if you're showing some errors, like error symbols has coming, so you just right click and update driver, update automatically. Okay, and you can also check universal, like universal, in this universal USB. So some external database is using 3.0 USB blue color port. You look at and check. So that time your 3.0 driver is not installed, so this is issue is facing. So you just also right click and update automatically. Okay, so guys, please check and do all steps, and please comment and share, subscribe channel, and support you.